What's up everyone, Eric here from Techisode TV, and I've got a really quick video talking about Samsung's $5,000 sweepstakes that's free to enter. In the description and pinned comment, I've got a link to this page, which is Samsung's official reserve campaign for the Galaxy S25 series devices. These are going to be officially unveiled on January 22nd, and you'll be able to pre-order the device at that time. But if you reserve one of those devices by just giving your name and email, that'll get you an extra $50 Samsung credit that can be used on accessories like a case or a Galaxy Watch when you pre-order an S25 series device. And it'll also give you a chance to win that $5,000 Samsung credit. And to be clear, this is a no-commitment reservation. You literally just need your name and email. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. So if you end up deciding later on that you don't want an S25, that's no big deal. You can just ignore the $50 credit email that Samsung's going to send when the pre-orders are available. Just make sure you check this little box right here to enter the sweepstakes, because if you just entered your information but didn't check that box, you'd get the reservation credit of $50, but you wouldn't be entered for that $5,000 sweepstakes. And you'll also be asked to confirm that you're at least 18 years old and select the state that you live in. So personally, I'd sign up even if you're on the fence, because that locks in the $50 credit and gives you that chance to win the $5,000. And if you want a sneak peek at some incredible new features that'll be introduced with the Galaxy S25 series, you can check out my One UI 7 beta review here. All of those features will come out on the S25 first, then slowly be added to older S series devices throughout the rest of the year. Then consider subscribing and turning on notifications if you don't want to miss my deep dive S25 Ultra and Samsung XR headset coverage. That's it for this Techisode. God bless guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.